Nothing nowadays is more important than social media. Social media is all about engaging the customer. Ask yourself, what engages you? When people make you laugh, when people make you cry, when people make you go, oh, or, so like the emojis on the iPhone, the happy face, the sad face, the, oh my gosh, he said this face. So we want to create an emotion with social media. When we create those emotions, people share our posts and they like it, and all of a sudden, revenue is created. So the art of selling, everybody, is not to get in somebody's face and be that crazy salesperson. It's to build credibility first. What is it that almost every single successful business in the world does to grow their brand and bring in new revenue? There's one common denominator, and it's called PPC, pay-per-click. You've heard of Google. You go online, you search for best XYZ, Google serves up the top listings at the top, and you as a provider pay to click through. It's a must-do in business, but not everybody can afford it from day one. But once you get rocking and rolling, you're in the groove, it's something that you must have in your arsenal of tricks. Hold on to your chair, because we're gonna dig into the magic behind being found naturally online. I'm talking about what's SEO. SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the process of improving your natural ability to be found online without having to pay to be found. How cool is that? There's so much paid media out there, you guys. You have to get pretty clever to stand out in the crowd. But what if you can finagle your way into the top of those organic results? And that's what I'm talking about. First, you have to define your target audience, right? You want to know what's your best target audience, and how cool would it be if you could capture them all for free? That's what we're talking about. The power of SEO allows you to do that. Want to get some fun and cash flowing? Plan an event. Not just any event. Plan the event of all events, but make sure you've got delicious food and drinks and, of course, prizes. Afraid an event might break the bank? Don't be. You can host some of these events for next to nothing, some for absolutely free. You can find partners who will donate stuff for exposure, or maybe just because they're super nice. Now, excitement, you guys. Excitement and enthusiasm, as we all know, makes magic happen. Excitement is contagious. Positive energy is contagious. Your enthusiasm is contagious. People want to be around you. They want to buy from you. They want to be your friend. Don't we want to be around happy people that just light up the room? So let's use that event to create a relationship with people and get them so excited about your event offer that it's almost too good to refuse. They're going to want to jump in and test your company out on the spot. Think about what small things you can do right now that can make you happier and help you take your first teeny, not so scary steps out into the world in a different way. And keep reminding yourself what you need to do and where you need to go and who you might need alongside you. You have to really get good at sifting through the advice and comments of the people closest to you and sifting through the noise in your own head. We've all got a lot of chatter going on in the brain, right? Get uncomfortable. It's going to feel weird, but that's okay. We all need to retrain our brain and look to the future. Please stay in touch and let us know what else you may need from us to get started. Message us, please. I'm Lou, L-O-U. Ology.com is the science behind crushing it in aesthetics, in beauty, and in life. Please celebrate your accomplishments every step of the way.